Hey everyone, Miss D here today with a few tips about something I did that got me some enrollments almost immediately. Okay, so like, subscribe, hit the notification button, share this video. I appreciate you guys so much. Anyway, so for Outschool last night, I was brainstorming and I decided I wanted to update some of my class titles. And I didn't want to only put the SEO and keywords in, I didn't only want to put keywords in there for the SEO, but I wanted to make my title different than anyone else's. So, for when parents are searching classes, I wanted my title to tell them a little bit more information about my class so that they would be more apt to click on it and possibly enroll. So I started thinking about how I could do that. And I started thinking about, well, what are parents searching for? So sometimes, like teen or high school. And then we talked about keywords in there. So what I did was I took my note taking practice class, and that's what it was called. It was called note taking practice, and then I divided it up by ages, and then I also had the 4 day camp. So, what I did was for the 4 day camp, I put 4 day camp for note taking practice, and then I wrote what was different about mine to catch parents' attention. Take notes with the teacher. Okay, so that kind of, I've got more keywords in there now because it was note taking and practice were the keywords and camp was the keyword. And I intentionally leave summer off my camps because it's not always summer for everyone, but it should come up in a like search for summer camp, right? Because it's got the word camp. Anyway, so I've got camp, note taking, and practice were all in there. And then take notes is also something that parents would search for, right? And then what makes it different is that it's take notes with the teacher. So there was that one. And then let's see, I put another one was I had fan fiction writing was the name of the class. And I decided, all right, let's put some more keywords in there and what makes mine different. Creative writing, so those are keywords. Write short fan fiction, so write and short and fan fiction. I actually need to change this one because I want to put short story together because that's what something that the parents would search for. So it probably should read creative writing, write a short story fan fiction, and what made mine different in 4 classes. So they're going to write it in 4 classes, okay? Let's see, let me see, find another one. I'll just give you one more example. So hopefully that this will help you when you're brainstorming your titles and kind of help you work on getting some of those enrollments. Because I mean, I didn't get tons and tons of enrollments, but I did wake up to 3 enrollments. Just because I really think it's because right before I went to bed last night, I just changed a couple of these titles. And the funny thing is, the enrollments weren't in the classes that I changed, but it doesn't really matter, right? I think what happens is it just pleases the algorithm and you pop up in searches just because you're more active and you're actively doing things in your class listings. So the next one that I wrote was I changed the age for a really cool club that I had, an ongoing club that I had that didn't get any enrollments. I had one learner in it and I taught that one learner for a while, but I've decided to bump it up for teens and roll the dice. So it's story cubes. That's what makes it different. It's not just like brainstorming or picking a topic or whatever, but we're actually going to use story cubes. Um, Weekly short story creative writing club for teens. So I've got short story, creative writing club, and teens are all those keywords plus that what makes mine different where we're going to roll dice. And then the last one, if I can find it. Yes, I've also had the same issue with a really cool journal writing class that I had. I didn't get any enrollment. I had one learner in it, for one time. So I decided I'm going to bump this up to the teen level and see how that works. So I've relisted it as a teen brain dump journal writing social club. Draw, write, talk. So that is full of keywords. And it also tells you, brain dump journal writing. So journal writing is our keywords, social club keywords, teen keyword, draw, write, talk, all keywords. But that combination of, this is a different kind of journal writing. It's not just writing a journal entry, it's a brain dump, and that's like a certain kind of format of journaling. And it also includes that we're going to write, draw, and talk in this class. So that's what makes this class stand out among others. So hopefully that will help you guys do a little bit of brainstorming for your titles, draw some attention to those titles, use great cover pictures too, because the title and the cover picture are the first things that parents are going to see, like when they're browsing class listings, right? So we want to tell them, well, what is my class special for in the title, and then have a great cover image to go with that, so it's eye-catching to a parent just going through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of listings. So hopefully that will help. Like, subscribe, hit your notification button, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys the next time.